let's cover the licenses that roofing contractor companies need. Before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about topics that can benefit your business. Also, keep in mind that our organization's licensing experts can take care of every step in this video on your behalf. Now, the first license that a roofing contractor business should have is a roofing contractor license. This license is specific to the roofing industry and ensures that the contractor has the necessary training and experience to work on a roof. The requirements for obtaining a roofing contractor license vary by state, but generally include passing an exam, providing proof of insurance, and meeting minimum education and experience requirements. In addition to the roofing contractor license, some states may require additional licenses or certifications for specific types of roofing work. For example, specific states require a separate license for contractors who work on flat roofs or install solar panels on roofs. Be sure to check with your state's licensing board to see if any additional licenses are required for your specific roofing project. As with any construction project, roofing work may require building permits. A roofing contractor should be familiar with the permit process in his or her local area and be able to obtain the necessary permits before beginning work. Failure to obtain proper permits can result in fines, or even the need to remove the roof and start over. Finally, it's important to ensure every roofing contractor has proper insurance coverage. This includes liability insurance, which protects against property damage and injury claims, and workers' compensation insurance, which provides benefits to employees who are injured on the job. Without insurance, you could be held liable for any accidents or injuries that occurred during a project. To secure licenses from the #1 third-party provider in the USA, please visit legalregistration.com. Our experts are standing by to assist you and your roofing contractor company. Please give us a call at any time by dialing 877-955-7111. We look forward to helping you register your licenses ASAP. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business. Also, we would love to hear your feedback and answer any questions that you have. So go ahead and drop a comment below.